This is me with the lap band. By eating a Twinkie, you'll get way skinnier, and I lost 700 million pounds.
Good for you, Joseph.
I know, I feel good.
Eat it, lose more weight. Woo! Yeah! Hey, that's why you should get the Twinkie. Look at him, he loves it too. Okay, now we'll be back after the message. Beep! It's been the message. We're back with the Twinkie. Joseph has something to tell you guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2 1/2, 2 1/4, 2 1/8, 1 0. This is where the Twinkie got him. He gained 700 million 1 pounds.
Just by eating one. So good.